Have you ever wondered how crucial the sun is to our existence on Earth? This fiery celestial body, a colossal nuclear furnace, is the life-giving force that fuels our existence. It bathes our planet in a warm golden light, providing the heat and energy necessary for life. Its radiant energy fuels photosynthesis, the miraculous process that transforms carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. Imagine a world without the sun, a chilling thought, isn't it? Without the sun, life as we know it would cease to exist. But what exactly is the sun? The sun, despite appearing as a small bright disk in the sky from our perspective on Earth, is actually a star. It's not just any star, but the one that sits at the very center of our solar system. The sun is composed primarily of two elements, hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen, the lightest and most abundant element in the universe, makes up about 3/4 of the sun's mass, while helium accounts for most of the rest. But where does the sun get its energy? The answer lies in a process called nuclear fusion. Deep within the sun's core, intense pressure and temperature combine to force hydrogen atoms together, creating helium. This process releases an enormous amount of energy, which travels outward from the core and eventually reaches us as the heat and light we associate with our star. The sun is not just a bright spot in the sky, but a complex fiery ball of gas and plasma. The sun's size, temperature, and distance from Earth are mind-boggling. When we talk about the size of the sun, it's hard to grasp just how big it really is. To give you an idea, imagine 109 Earths lined up side by side. That's roughly the diameter of the sun. That's right, the sun is about 109 times the diameter of our home planet. Now let's turn the heat up a notch and talk about the sun's temperature. The surface of the sun, also known as the photosphere, is a scorching 5,500 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than molten lava. But that's nothing compared to the core of the sun. Deep inside, where nuclear fusion occurs, the temperature soars to an unimaginable 15 million degrees Celsius. Finally, let's talk about the sun's distance from Earth. This is a figure that's just as staggering as the sun's size and temperature. The sun is approximately 93 million miles away from us. Or if you prefer the metric system, that's around 150 million kilometers. That's such a vast distance that light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach us. These figures show just how immense and powerful our sun truly is. One of the sun's most fascinating phenomena is solar winds. These winds are not like the gusts we experience here on Earth. Instead, they're streams of charged particles, a plasma, catapulted into space from the upper atmosphere of the sun. Imagine a river of energy flowing from the sun and washing over everything in its path. These particles, once released, can reach breathtaking speeds, sometimes topping 500 miles per second. That's faster than any spacecraft we've ever built. They're not just fast, they're impactful too. When these solar winds reach Earth, they interact with our planet's magnetosphere, the protective magnetic bubble that shields us from most of the sun's harmful radiation. These interactions can lead to some truly spectacular displays, like the northern and southern lights, but also pose challenges for our technology-dependent society. Solar winds remind us of the sun's dynamic nature and its influence on our planet. So, we've learned quite a bit about our sun today. We've delved into its magnificent scale, dwarfing our Earth with a diameter over 100 times larger. We've touched on its intense temperature, a blistering hot surface that reaches an astounding 5,000 degrees Celsius. We've also taken a journey across the vast expanse of space, traveling the 93 million miles that separate us from this celestial giant. Our journey didn't end there. We've also explored the solar winds, those streams of charged particles that the sun continuously throws out into space, influencing the very climate and atmosphere of our planet. We've seen how the sun is not just a bright spot in the sky, but a complex and vital part of our solar system. It's a constant reminder of our place in the universe, a source of energy, light, and life. Next time you feel the sun's warmth or see its light, remember the incredible star that makes it all possible.